I don't know.
What are you doing, Mr. Rainbow? Keep going. Stop creeping forward and let the...
This dumb fuck.
You just pull out.
Yeah.
It's not an ambulance anyway, it's a cop. But
Yeah.
still.
Another one coming. I can't believe they pulled into that fucking lane.
Yeah.
Move over.
Fucking wake up.
Wake up, you fucking idiots.
Oblivious. What the actual fuck?
Jesus Christ, people fucking...
The car in front of us had no fucking clue until you honked. The car in front of them had no fucking clue until you honked. I mean, it's on the top of the hill. You can fucking see it.
Yeah, we saw it
500
from
metres down
the
the
fucking
fucking
light.
road.
We saw it from the lights. What the fuck's happened?
No, 2 cop cars though. No ambo, so that's a good start.
I think it's just someone's broken down, to be honest. It's a Pajero, yeah, someone's broken down. Probably. Oh no, there's been a rear end.
Yeah, someone's fucking right on the ass. Not that hard. Get off your fucking phone.
The fuck behind us.
Who?
The dumbass.
The woman?
Yeah. I had no idea. She's on her phone. She's just like staring at a fucking phone.
What?
No, he turned left from that lane.
Oh, the budget direct car.